Welcome to. We're here once again, and we're going to look at I can replace Infinix Hot 30 LCD. Most time Hot 30, they are using the same screen, it's just name, or maybe the ROM and RAM may be different, but they use the same screen. In case you see Hot 30i, Hot 30B, and so on. If you look at the phone, this particular phone has a removable back cover separate from the housing, so you have to be careful while removing it in order not to damage it. So I would advise you, if you have a workstation, use a work on it, but this particular one, it's already broken, so I won't be held accountable for anything, but I am to be very careful the much I can see what I'm using to remove it. That thing is just a leather, so it cannot break anything. Believing by now we are all experts, so the next thing is to remove the nose. I'm using magnets to magnet the nose because some of the nut is being covered by gum. So I'm using magnet to try and magnet them, to remove them entirely after using the nut. So let me remind you guys something. Most time the owner of this phone would like to see what you're doing. I wonder why. Some of them might think that maybe you're going to remove something from the phone and throw it away, or remove something. I don't know, but they like seeing what you're doing. If that is the case, there is no problem. But some of them will say, "It's okay, do it, I'm coming back." There's those people that don't have trust issues. But the ones with trust issues would like to be seeing what you're doing, thinking maybe you're going to remove something from their phone, or I don't know what is in their mind. So whichever way, try and follow them gently. That if you are doing it for other people, because they are customers. They say customers are always right. using the phone. Now is to open the phone. If you are opening it and is being hard, check whether all the knot has been removed, and be careful for the fingerprint. So most of the guys that fix phone, once they see this kind of phone, they will tell you that we don't have the pass. They're running away because of the fingerprint. That's just the truth. And the issue we have with this kind of phone, that those people that gum is somebody that's gum the phone, like the back of the phone last, might cover knot. So you have to search and search for the knots being covered with gum. So this is the screen we're going to use and fix it. Like LCD. If you check the screen very well, it doesn't have a charging flash. So we can only remove the battery, then remove the old screen and fix our new screen. This battery has been removed before, so it won't be as strong as the one that's not been removed before. But whichever way, have to be careful while doing it. I'm done removing the battery. So the next thing is to remove the whole screen. Depending how damaged the whole screen is, if the whole screen has just screen crack, sometimes we'll be careful to remove the screen. Then after removing the screen, if the owner will leave the screen with you, you try and separate the screen and see whether if you fix it, screen glass, if it's going to work. But sometimes the owner will demand you giving him or her the screen. So whatever he says, you do it. That's how it's done. This work can easily be done with a restoration or screen touch separator. But why I'm doing this in usual or crude method in case if you don't have all those things at your disposal. But I have the separator, I have rework station and so on. But I want to teach you how you can do it without all those things when you're on your own tomorrow, because you might not have all the money to buy all those things. So make sure that you remove all the glass at the edge here, the broken glass. Otherwise, if you put new screen, it will break the screen. I'll fix the new screen. Now let's clip the battery and test the new screen. So make sure you clip the new screen very well, but don't press it much so that you can not don't press it much so that it won't damage the flex clip. Then you clip the battery, then power up the phone. On the phone, I'm trying to speak grammar that everybody will understand, so pardon my English. I'm just trying to break it down, so seems I'm making mistake. No, if I don't use this kind of grammar, the road technicians, they didn't have opportunity of seeing the four walls of college or university, might not understand. So I'm trying to use grammar that is common, that everybody will understand. So this the finish, and at this stage, well, good to go. You know the next thing to do. So I don't need to tell you much, because by now you're supposed to be expert on this field. So that's how you can fix a finish Hot 30, Hot 30i, Hot 30 Pro, LCD on screen. Bye for now. Bye.